Good morning everyone. We are the students of KLM International School, Pathankot. Today I, Sonakshi, I, Kritika,
I am Raj.
I, Amandeep. Today our topic is dissection of flower.
Before we are going to start this experiment, we should know part of flower.
This is the petal, this is the sepal, this is the pedicel.
So first we should dissect this flower with knife, and first we remove these petals. You can see the male part of the flower called stamens. Now we remove this sepals. We cut it from here. You can see this female part called pistil. Thank you and have a great day.